Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set your password if you forgot it in Remitly application or account. So you can see I'm in the Remitly account. So what you need to do, you need to click here sign in. So it's my account, but I want to log in here, but somehow I forgot the password. So how can I reset my password? Okay, so you can see the bottom part of this pop-up menu. It's called forget your password. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will see here change your password. Okay, so they want your email account here, so you have to give the email account you already created account in Remitly. So for example, just like that, or your an email can be Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail, and after that give your @ and gmail.com, and then click continue. Then you can see verify it's you. Okay, email me. So simply click on the email me. Then you have to give here code, which code you they sent you on your email, and after that you have to copy the OTP code from your Gmail or email and paste it in this empty box, and simply click here, and then your account, like, you will get the page like new password and confirm password. So you have to give the strong password, like combining symbol or something like that. Then your password will be successfully changed. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.